Do you even want to know it? See? Do you even want to know
What's up, everybody?
I'm
TheJ
freestyling from these fucking streets.
Another cake. I'm making a lemon cake. I'm gonna be lemon on lemon today. Already put my 3 eggs in here.
Yes, I do not care. I'm talking about some other people. Yes, I'm touching guns. I'm about to shoot you in your face and I will not run. What? You think I'm a fucking bitch? You come and say that shit to my face real quick. And see that if you stand still, but if you will, because I'm over here about to pop you in your ear. What? I don't give a damn about you untouched. People over here listening, do you love or not? If you come correct, I will give you same thing. Everybody's over here listening to do the same thing. You do on to the others what you like to do. I'm the one that's over here and I win, I lose. Cause my passion that's burning. I'm over here talking about saying people why you yawning. Hey, but do you see what I see? You can even see everything's when it be. Still freestyle on every fucking beat. If I wanna do this and I turn to an E. Hey, started off cold, still warming up. Still over here, I'm about to go and throw it up. Throwing over it up like you throwing your shit. People's over here, not alright by check, get dead. Do you think I'm straight?